Hello, my dear children. Today we are starting a new unit that is Medieval World. From the first page of the unit, we can see a paragraph. Let's read that. CE 5th century, the Europeans lived in fear of the constant attacks by the Germanic tribes of northern Europe. The intruding attackers looted cities and massacred people. The natives approached their kings for protection, but the kings were helpless. Finally, the kings arrived at a solution. They declared that pieces of lands would be given as reward to those who protect the life and wealth of the people. Several chivalrous lords came forward to protect the people and they were rewarded as promised. They in turn distributed these pieces of lands among others who were loyal to them and were ready to render their service. The land so obtained was handed over to some others on the same conditions. Farmers were engaged to work in this land throughout the day. The life of these farmers was not better than that of the slaves. From this paragraph, we can understand that European history between 5th and 15th century CE. In world history, this period is known as medieval period. We have discussed the history of medieval India in the previous chapter. From this paragraph, we can understand some information about the history of medieval Europe. What was that? First one, the Europeans constantly faced attacks. Second, the king distributed pieces of lands to the lords who helped in defending the attacks. And we also understand that there are different kinds of stages of people, or society can be distributed or stratified on the basis of different criteria. From this diagram, we can understand that various strata of medieval Europe society can be identified. In the first section or in the upper section, we can see the king. That is, the king enjoyed the highest status in the society. He was the sole owner of the entire land. After the king, we can see lords is the second section. The king distributed land among the lords. In return, lords offered military service. In the third section, we can see lesser lords. The lords in turn gave a part of the land to lesser lords and demanded services from them. This social system in medieval Europe, formed on the basis of land ownership, is called feudalism. Children, what is meant by feudalism? The word feudalism was derived from the German word feud, which means a piece of land. The farmers stood at the lowest stratum of the feudal society. They were the majority and were compelled to work in fields and houses of the lords. The vast areas of land held by the lords were known as manor. Apart from the fields, each manor consisted of meadows, manor house, that is the residence of the lord, mills, huts of farmers, and a place of worship. Let's check the condition of cities, trade, and trade guilds in the feudalistic society in medieval era. Trade was not prominent during the feudalist period in the medieval era. The products of the manor were consumed right there. The farm products and farming tools were exchanged in the local markets. Many new cities developed in Europe by the 11th century CE. Centers of trade and handicraft gradually developed into cities. Areas around ports also became cities. Such new cities initially began to develop in Italy. The Italian cities had trade relations with the Asian and the Western European countries. Venice, Milan, Florence, and Genoa were the major newly developed Italian cities. Nuremberg in Germany and Constantinople in Turkey were the other major European cities. Spices, germs, and clothes from India and China were imported to those cities. From there, these goods were transported to other European countries too. Most of these cities had their own administrative system. Tall boundary walls were built to protect these cities. These cities were not at all hygienic and were under the threat of epidemics like the plague.